What a special stage it must have been. Glad to know that Kelvin's car is still running, and glad to know that the roll cage did its job. Welcome to another episode of Downshift. This is me in the car again because I'm too shy to be out there to be talking to myself. In case you missed it, last week was the first National Rally of 2020. Special stage was at the Showgrounds. I'm sure we had a lot of fun there. The main rally was a little bit out of town. I don't know where. I'm new to rally. I'm learning about it. If any of you guys who are watching understand it better than me, please let me know in the comment section below so that we can do a did you know or something about rally. So we've collected a few clips for you to have a look at what happened at the special stage. Unfortunately, I don't have any clips from the main rally. However, I will post the results now. And congratulations to Leroy and team for winning the first National Rally. Looking forward to the next National Rally. I have heard that African Rally Championship will have some stages in Zambia, I think 2 or 3 for the Zambia International Rally. And we're hoping that some of our people will be competing in the International Rally for the African Rally Championship. Hope you like those clips that we've put together for you.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
It's interesting how the internet is able to turn anything into a joke. We've collected some of what I think are the funniest Corona car jokes, memes, thingy, whatever you want to call them, that we found. I don't know what your favorite Corona jokes are, but if you have any, please DM us on Instagram at DownShiftZM. Here are some of the jokes that are pretty funny. Especially the one about how we're gonna be watching the next international rally. Or if you know somebody that owns too many cars, not mentioning any names, let us know what's your favorite Corona joke. Next week, 21st of March, motocross in Ndola, the 3rd round of motocross. I don't know what kind of motorsport you're into, but if this is one of them, please be sure to attend. Coming to an episode near you, like they say. If you wanna go fast, you have to stop. Right, some slotted and cross-drilled rotors. Check out the size of that. This one comes with some fast road brakes. Mintex, one of the best brands out there if you're on a budget like us. Watch out for a downshift episode soon fitting them on some car. If you can take a guess what car they're going on, please put your comments in the comment section below. Who knows? You might win something. Stay tuned for another episode of Downshift next week. I'm not gonna say what we'll be doing, but I think, like I said, 2020 is an interesting year. People are getting ready. Thank you for watching this episode. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at DownShiftZM.
Hello, hey, wagwan. Ninshile chitikapa wagwan. Washimuri kenge wagwan. Katulipamo punkamo wagwan. Punkamo wagwan. Katulipamo wagwan. Ninshile chitikapa wagwan.